G'day folks, and welcome back to Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Today we're going to crack a couple of one 5 pack. It's 22 years old, so we'll just put that one out of the road because they're both the same. They both have the same cars in them. And the reason why I'm cracking this 22-year-old pack, I'll just show you on the back there. Let's see if we can see it. Go a bit closer. 1998. The reason why I am cracking this 5-pack, I'll leave the other one incomplete and put it away with all my other ones, is because I actually need a truck out of here for a build-off with 3 blind mice. And of course it is the 56 Chevy Pickup Ute. And that's what we've got coming. This video is due to be released on Saturday the 14th. So yeah, we've got to strip it down and got a lot of casting lines under there and all over the place, and on the roof there as well. A few other bad nasty ones. But yeah, anyway, that's the 56. That's the one that's going to be in the build-off. And then we've got a few other ones here. Another cool van. And Stinky's diaper cleaners. Interesting. Yeah, alright. There's another van that can do it. As you can see, I've got a row of vans up on the head. Up the top, go all the way across the top there. Yeah. Alright, so we'll get back to these here. Yeah, so this is 22-year-old, this pack. I got this from when I was over in the US a long time ago, obviously. And it's probably been that long since I've been there. And we've got a Chevy C3500 dually. I suppose it's supposed to be a dually, isn't it? It's only got single wheels in the back, but Hotwheels don't do that. It's not a bad pink looking colour. And the bed cover and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's not a bad cool one either. I love pickups, or Utes as we call them here in Australia. This one here looks like a Ford F-150 or something. Yeah, Ford F-150. Yep. Rusty Pipes Plumbing. Funny. That'll look nice all done up. 1 pin. Awesome. I love these ones with 1 pin. 1 pin. Just so fast to pull apart and do. And you can see why I've got all of that on there, because these things just skate off like a rocket. This one here, is this one here got? No, that one's got a 2 pin. I know that one there's got a 1 pin. I know that. And we've got here, this looks like a, what's this one, a Willys, is it? No, 1940 Ford. Yep, there we go. Oh, geez, even that feels like it's metal. There you go. A scoop there. A drag truck. Anyway, that'll look cool done up. And it's only got 1 pin. Oh, and that pin goes into the plastic. So, okay, so the nose the grill panel there holds the front end. Alright, so yeah. There's a 22-year-old pack. And I busted him open because I need this car here to do the build-off. So this build-off for this one here will come out on Saturday the 14th. Alrighty, so it won't look like this when we're finished, but anyway, alright. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we look forward to bringing you more very soon. And we wish everyone all the best. Take care in these trying times. And we'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.